Creating that popular Instagram swipe effect is easier than you think, right from your phone. First, open the Lightroom mobile app and import the image you want to use for your swipe effect. Once your image is open, tap on the crop tool, which looks like a square with intersecting lines. At the top of the crop menu, select the aspect ratio option. From the list of presets, choose custom to define your own dimensions. Now, carefully calculate your desired ratio. For example, if you want your image to span across 3 Instagram posts, you'd multiply the standard Instagram square ratio of 1/3, making your new ratio 31. Enter your calculated ratio here. Drag the handles of the crop box to ensure your entire image fits within the new custom dimensions you've created. Once you're happy with the crop, tap the check mark to apply it. Then tap the share icon, typically found at the top right of the screen. From the share menu, select export as to prepare your image for saving. Ensure the file type is set to JPEG and under image sizing, select dimensions. Now, input your full image width here, but importantly for the height, use the standard Instagram square post height. This will ensure each section of your swipe effect is a perfect square. Tap the export button, and your perfectly sized panoramic image is now saved to your device. Finally, open Instagram, select your newly exported image, and Instagram will automatically prompt you to crop it into individual squares, creating your mesmerizing swipe effect. Elevate your Instagram game, one swipe at a time.